is islands, no? See, there is island, there is island, there is islands. Nice. Mga subscribers dito, no? Mga video. Hi guys. Thank you. Actually here in Biliran Island, and I am on ride with a small ride with this mga malupit na riders. So I want to check it out how this. Oh, ano gawa natin, EJ?
Sa kami doon sa Palayan at kami may magsasaka. Titingnan namin ngayon kung anong ginagawa nila at gagawin din natin.
Oh. Tapos ito, explain mo na lang yung mga city hindi nila alam paano sila mahirap dito, no? There is cleaning up from the ferry now. Yeah. Sige bro, see you message tayo. Good morning guys. Assalamualaikum. As you can see, actually I am here in Biliran Island, and the office TESDA provincial office. So congressman having some meetings and everything with his staff. So later I am just going out with some of the riders to ride somewhere in Biliran Island, and as you can see they are already walking. We are going to have some breakfast here. Then there is mga malupit na riders here, so I will join with them for a ride. This is actually the TESDA compound behind. See, they are actually making so many things here. See, compost pit, and they make their own. See, nice production here, all the place. So this is near to the sea. So province life guys, masarap sa province. Eje. Oh, good morning guys. Oh, ito. Oh,
welcome to Kabugkayan,
Biliran.
Yes, we are in Biliran Island.
Yeah.
And this is the finest of
Guys, this is actually the next mayor here in Biliran. Now he is a councillor. So next mayor.
brother.
Yeah, you are behind only. So dito yung dalawa. The one is RD, Regional Director of Region 8, and the other one Deputy Director of TESDA. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, maganda ito, no? Yun, no? Ganda. They prepared the breakfast near to the sea. Hello, hi, good morning. Good morning ma'am, good morning. Good morning Kong.
Dito na nga yung iba. Sige,
Good morning Kong.
Good morning, Mr. Lance.
How was your sleep? How was our ride?
Fantastic, look at the mountain.
Hey.
How can you not sleep with that beautiful view
Yes,
and atmosphere?
yes.
See? Very beautiful.
Mm,
And of course, we have
yeah.
some
Here is guys. Yeah boys. In TESDA there is a motorcycle engine service also. So we will be creating some more jobs, like a congressman said, for the for the mechanics. So this is actually one of their program.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
May asawa na, may bagong asawa.
Congrats, sir. Congrats.
Pasok tayo para makita ninyo yung ngayon. Ako ang tour guide ni Bernard.
Oh, ano gawa natin, EJ?
Punta kami doon sa palayan at kami may magsasaka. Tingnan namin ngayon kung anong ginagawa nila at gagawin din natin.
Oh. Tapos ito, explain mo na lang yung mga city hindi nila alam paano sila mahirap dito, no?
Oo.
Dapat support tayo ng mga farmers, di ba?
Yes.
Ah.
So, dapat sana yan. Makikita mo yung hirap nila sa initan, sa araw, sa ulan at saka init yung tinatahan nila.
Oo.
Para lang makaani ng palay.
Oh. Siya yung tour guide ko, guys. Siya yung tour guide ko today. Oh. Oh. Tingnan niyo dito. Actually here in Biliran Island, and I am on ride with this one small ride with this mga malupit na riders. So I want to check it out how this island look like, and some places only because we have only limited time. So we just put up a small ride here and riding with this mga malupit na riders here. So small roads pero full of zigzag. So let's go and see some places here in Biliran. AJ is here and the Kong is having meeting, so we thought okay, when Kong is having a meeting we will just go for some small rides with this mga malupit na Biliran riders. Go AJ. AJ is a good rider. Only yun lang. Bilis pagod. Go boys. Yeah, another malupit. councillor here. So next election he must be he's going to be a mayor. Also he ride good. Only just a body position lang. Tingnan nyo. He ride good. He's fast. Hello, nice place. Actually, we are actually going to the port somewhere. As you can see, not only port, actually there is an island. I think the road is going to the island. As you can see, there is magandang lugar, no? Grabe, ganda. Dito, thank you. Here guys, ayan no, ganda diba? Grabe ganda. Ayan na. There is islands, no? See, there is island, there is island, there is islands. Nice. Mga subscribers dito, no? Mga video. Hi guys. Thank you. Ayan, let's stop, take some pictures here. Nice, no? Nice place. So, as you can see, that is actually you can go that island. There is actually the resort or something. There also island. It's like in a Pangasinan. There is called 100 Islands. Nice. See, grabe yung maganda Pilipinas, no? Tingnan mo. Grabe ganda. Ganda dito. Dito yung mga malupit na riders from yan ba yan? Dito yung mga malupit na riders. Police dito, police. Dito si AJ. Kamusta AJ? Kamusta na ride?
Grabe, lalim ng mga kumbala.
Oo, sarap di ba? Dito, subscriber. Anong pangalan? Tanggalin mo ng mask mo para nakita nila na mukha mo. Pogi to. Lahat sila pogi Anong pangalan?
Ronald Merino.
Ikaw? Ha? Vincent? Mel? Ikaw? Dito lang kayo? Gandang lugar nyo Inggit.
Tambay.
Inggit ako dito Gandang lugar. Thank you. Nice place. Wait lang I-vlog muna ako. Ito guys. So, you can actually go to that island daw, sabi niya. Ganda dito. Anong YouTube channel mo? Yeah? Yulski? Yulski TV, subscribe kayo ito. Subscribe kayo, Yulski TV.
Ano ba yun yung accident pero tinapos ko pa rin yung ride.
Okay na yan, dapat may accident para malupit. Yes brother. Thank you.
Ito yung OBR mo? Anong pangalan, ma'am? Anong pangalan mo? Angeline? Oh, OBR niya daw. Oh, pangilan niya ng OBR mo ito? Ha? Oh, nice, nice. Oh, kasal na. Walang expiration ha? Oh, walang expiration sa kasal ha? Wait lang guys. Oh guys, look at this. Grabe ganda. Ito iba yan. Iba yung place. Ganda no? Yeah. Ganda dito. Ayan na, ganda. Yeah guys, that is actually the Biliran Bridge. Nice place. There is actually, I think that is for the scallops. It's like a house. Grabe ganda. Oh, yun na, yung bata ng kanam. Yun na. Galing. Oh, nice place na. Ganda. Ayan na. Oh! Ormog!
Tol, kami tol. Shout out ni Kuya.
Oh, anong grupo?
Duterte Riders Team, Ormoc City.
Oh, ano pa?
May All-Star. May All-Star, Ormoc
Mio All Star. Oh, ano pa?
Sir, Sir.
Oh,
MLC Riders Club.
oh. Sino pa?
Ormoc.
Sino pa?
Dirty. Bunker. RWC.
Oh. Ano?
Junjin Adolfo.
Tulfo?
Junjin Adolfo.
Oh, kala ko Rafi Tulfo. Guys, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, sir. Oh, group nyo. Anong group?
Riders Club.
Oh, saan yan? Anong lugar ito?
Hello,
Oh guys, oh this is my last place here. Tomorrow I will be in Cebu.
Ay, Team Hilas.
Oh, oh di ba? Malupit ito yan, malupit, makulit eh. Ano pangalan bro? Ano pangalan?
Bansay Route, sir. Bansay Route, sir.
Oh, dito. Oh, yun oh.
Leyte Riders Club, Bato Chapter.
Anong?
SLRC.
SLRC guys, SLRC.
Northern Leyte Riders Club, Bato
Oh,
Chapter.
thank you. Thank you po. Here is cleaning come from the ferry now. Yeah. Sige bro, see you Message tayo. So now we will going out. So I'll tell this guy also. Message tayo. Okay? So this is the ferry guys. Here is one of the subscriber. So here is sila. Oh, hi po. Okay, let's go. Bro, thank you Message tayo Message mo ko. Mamaya kita tayo.
Oo, sige.
Ardi, thank you Thank you. Oh, so that is regional director. Go. Dumi-dumi ng motor ah. Huh? Mamaya wash up tayo dito. Oh, ito na.